Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn something very exciting, and that is on the topic of conditional formatting. Uh, I'm sure we've come across large data sets, etc. Over there, but having to visually identify it um, just makes it easier to know what you're looking for, right? For example, in this data set, I have of a call center representing calls received on each hour of the day across the week. Uh, And how conditional formatting can help us is we're going to just try to create this into a heat map to give us an indication of what hour and time of the day do we have the maximum call volume, and accordingly decipher and even make business decisions, right, in terms of what should be our staffing requirements on which day and which hour over there. So we'll go ahead and quickly get started on the practical aspect of it here. As you see, we have the data set here. I'm just going to go, it's pretty straightforward, right? You're just going to select the data. We're going to leave the totals aside for now, and I'll explain that in a moment. Over here, once you have it selected, go to conditional formatting, use the color scales. Uh, if you're creating a heat map, and the heat map in this case is probably a better view to know what hours and days, right? The first one is of the red, yellow, green, yellow, red scale. In this, it indicates the green is going to be the higher values. Uh, the highest values are going to be colored green. The second one is the other way around. And I think this is more appropriate to be used in the particular situation because we do want to know where the reds are because those are high volume uh, calls received at those hours. Just makes it visually easier to analyze. Now, that is straightforward in that sense, right? A quick business decision. We know on Mondays, we expect definitely call volumes between 1 and 4 p.m. So staffing rotation, etc., should be minimized at that hour, or breaks should be minimized during this time over there, right? Uh, Similarly, Wednesdays early mornings are light. Could be a good time to have people take their weekly off on that particular day, right? Kind of thing. So this is how it can help. Similarly, if we go through the hourly mechanism, we will repeat the same exercise, right? And on an average for the week, we definitely know 4 p.m. is kind of the peak hour we should always consider, uh, which means 4 p.m. is a no-no for any break, kind of thing. And for a day, that's why we go and do again. Of course, you have them in different colors, etc. as well. Over here, just for visual representation, right? Over there, so you could explore and do it as well. So I'm just going to kind of keep it consistent over here for reviews. Mondays, so basis this analysis, right? We can see Saturday, Sunday, and Mondays are kind of peak days for the call volumes, which means we should be fully staffed at that time. Uh, Light volume days are pretty much Wednesday and Fridays. In fact, Fridays is the lightest of them all. Uh, so that's how you can, you know, analyze, see, make business decisions, and get get good data out of it. Another way, just kind of the numbers can also be distracting in a way when we see it this way. So all you can do is go to number format on them, make it custom, and in the type instead, right, just put in a semicolon uh, and do OK, and then all you see is colors. The numbers are still there inside, just that we don't see them on the heat map over here. So that's pretty much what I had for you today, and I hope you did find it useful. We'll take care and have a good day. See you next week.